If you're trying to learn copywriting in 2026 to actually make some money and all you're really focusing on is emails and landing pages, you're leaving a ton of money on the table. I'm going to show you how and exactly what to learn instead. Because not only are these new skills more valuable, as in they can make businesses more money, but they're also in much higher demand. So if you're having a hard time getting clients, it's probably because you're offering the wrong things. Because here's the thing, copywriting is still one of the best skills and best ways to make money in 2026. But the game has shifted entirely. And people still teaching you how to just write emails only and write landing pages are still stuck in 2022. Because here is what's actually happening right now. AI can write pretty good emails as it is. Business owners know this and they've tried it. But what AI cannot do and will never be able to do is implement. These are things like strategy, like context, and like execution across multiple different platforms. And therefore, copywriters that are still winning right now aren't the ones that are just writing. They're the people that are operators. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact skill stack that is crushing it in 2026. These are 3 skills that, when stacked on top of your copywriting foundation, are creating some of the biggest opportunities I've ever even seen in this industry. And as usual, I'm going to be saving the best for last, so make sure you stick around to the very end of the video. Now, before I get into these skills, just to quickly address, I'm not actually going to be talking about email marketing, landing pages, and funnel building in this very video, because those are the ones that I've talked about before, and while they are still very high value skills, they're not the new ones that people are using right now that most people haven't already caught on to yet. But if you want to know how to actually do all of those secondary skills, sales funnels, sales pages, and email marketing, I have free courses on every single one of those on this very channel that you can go watch after this one. The first skill that's going to make you bank as a copywriter is YouTube script writing and long form content creation. And I also want to be specific about who you are targeting in order to do these things. Now, most people are just going to be going after info businesses and coaches, but I would take that with a grain of salt. While there are still some info businesses and coaches that are doing well, more specifically in the trading space and also in the AI agency space, there's a lot of other info coaches and things that aren't really doing as well in 2026 because of what's called a trust recession. There's a lot less trust in the market because anybody can just look rich by getting a very fancy car and then trying to sell a course. And when people's budgets are lower, they hire a lot less as well. There's opportunity there, but it's not the big opportunity that I'm going to be talking about here in this video. The big opportunity is with B2B businesses. This is essentially a business that sells to other businesses and not to people who just want to start a business or who are just not making money right now. These companies usually have some sort of done-for-you offer that usually sells for something like $5, $10, or even $15,000. An example of this would be something like, I will help you close your next 10 high-ticket clients through Instagram ads. And why this matters is because YouTube isn't just another platform like Twitter or Instagram or TikTok. It is the #1 converting platform for people. Nobody goes on Instagram or TikTok to actually learn something. If people want to know something, they search up how to do it on YouTube. So for example, if a business owner is doing really well on Instagram right now, or they're running ads on Meta, but there's a whole bunch of people in their audience or in their funnel that haven't quite taken the leap. They're not ready to actually work with the business just yet. They're still on the fence. The #1 thing that's going to push them over the fence is by watching some longer form YouTube videos, not just by watching a bunch of 60-second brain rot style clips on Instagram. So YouTube is not really just about getting views or going viral like it is on maybe Instagram. It's a lot more about actually showing people, teaching people, handling their objections, showing off your top testimonials so that people actually want to work with you. The other reason why this is also so important for businesses is because so many businesses already know this, but the problem is the initiative to build a whole separate YouTube channel is just something that's really big that they don't want to do. They're spending all this time servicing their clients, maybe doing some sort of content on short form platforms that still takes so much time. They don't want to become a part-time YouTuber on the side as well. So as long as you can actually save them a bunch of time as well, you can still really help them. Now, I know this because I've actually closed a deal recently for this exact thing. YouTube script writing, $3,000. So I'm making them 1 YouTube video script every single week. That's 4 scripts per month for $3,000. And each script doesn't take me very long. It might take me 2 hours per month, and I'm making $3K just from that. And that's the ROI of actually getting good at this and offering this skill to a business. And obviously, the thing you're thinking is, yeah, well, Tyson, you have a YouTube channel with millions of views, so who wouldn't pay you to grow their YouTube channel and get them more clients? But it's not just me. It's also a bunch of my students inside of 40CI as well. I have multiple students that are actually working with these YouTube building agencies. So these agencies that sell to businesses that will say, hey, we will grow your YouTube and also build you funnels and things on the back end. And these students are cranking still 2K and 3K per month just writing YouTube scripts. Either way, the money is there, the demand is there. If you want to work with an agency or you want to work directly with a business, YouTube script writing is a skill that cannot be slept on if you're a copywriter. Skill number 2 is is Instagram marketing. Not just real writing, but the understanding of how all the Instagram profile goes together and actually creates a funnel in and of itself. Again, this is not just captions. This is understanding how a profile actually works. When people hit the page, what do they want to see on your story, on your highlights, in your bio, the link in your bio, the pinned posts on your Instagram page, the amount of CTAs you do, the types of CTAs you do, the real scripts you're making, the captions underneath your photos. I mean, there are so many different steps to actually making a high converting Instagram funnel, because most people get a decent amount of views on Instagram, but they're kind of just wasting it because they don't know what their ideal client actually wants to see when they come across their page. And because you already have a really good marketing perspective and you're actual copywriter, you're way better than just any social media manager could ever do. And again, you can even think of it like this, going hand in hand. The people on Instagram are people who are just very, very casual viewers. What's the number one thing that you want those casual viewers to do is to view more seriously. They do that on something like YouTube. So if you could even just get people from Instagram over to YouTube, then they convert on YouTube through the funnel or through whatever type of sales process or sales funnel that the business already has up, it's a very simple way to actually get people more sales. And again, with people who have $5,000 to $10,000 products, 1 sale a month, 2 sales a month, 5, 10 sales per month, and you're already collecting a way higher ROI. So when you're actually working on converting somebody's Instagram with a copywriting foundation, it's very, very powerful. That's one of the reasons why it is the number 2 skill on this list. Okay, skill number 3 is probably my favorite, the one that I'm most excited about. Just know that the number 1 best way to actually learn all of these things is by having a coach or somebody who's a professional copywriter actually look at your copy, tell you what's doing wrong, tell it what's doing right, and tell you exactly how to get clients. Just because you have these skills doesn't mean that clients are just going to fall out of the sky. So if you want that feedback as well as tons more information on this, I'll leave a link to the 4D Bootcamp down below. It's the easiest way to get that feedback I was talking about without breaking the bank. So go check it out after this video. Now, the 3rd skill on this list is going to be creative strategy, which in short is making ads for businesses so that they can test them. There are a lot of different definitions of a creative strategist, but what I'm specifically talking about is somebody who figures out what the ad needs to say. You are the entire brain behind the ad. You understand the research, why this ad should work, what the proof actually is, how the editing should even look in the ad. Many times you can often work with the media buyer or even eventually become a media buyer yourself, which in short just means that you're somebody who is in charge of somebody's Facebook ad account or any ad account really. This is a huge opportunity because most e-commerce brands are going to scale through paid ads. And the number 1 thing that's going to determine whether those ads are going to scale isn't the targeting, it isn't the budget, but it's actually the creative strategy. And the creative essentially refers to the ad itself, what it actually looks like, what it says. And therefore, the person that can come up with winning ad creatives consistently is the person that's going to be closing $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 per month retainers. And again, I have students who are already doing this $2K and $3K deals with commission on top. Now, as a copywriter, your number 1 skill here isn't just going to be copy, but it's also going to be research, finding winning ads in other niches or even in your same niche and understanding what makes them work and how to use those exact angles in your copy and in your creative. Now, again, the main part as to why every single one of these 3 skills I just showed you works is because AI just can't really do them. It can't do them consistently. It can't do them well. AI can't look at someone's profile, figure out exactly what's wrong, fix it all, and then test the numbers to see if it actually even worked in the first place. Now, if you're asking how do you learn these skills, this is probably going to be the most important part of the entire video. Number 1, for YouTube scripts, you want to reverse engineer some YouTube videos that you have watched. And again, these are going to be on some sort of business YouTube channels. I'm not talking about going to watch a Mr. Beast video. Ask yourself things like, where are the hooks? Where was the CTA? What was the CTA? What was the value points in the video? Next, for Instagram marketing, pick a Instagram account that you know is doing really well on Instagram. One of the guys that I like is called Nick Setting. The reason why his Instagram looks so good is because he runs a profile funnel. In short, he actually runs Instagram ads to his page. So in order to make those ads convert at the highest amount possible, he needs to make sure he has a completely maximized page. So he has all the bells and whistles, and a lot of other guys do as well. So go look at other people who you know are running ads to their Instagram page. Really easy way to do this is by going through business accounts, liking their stuff, interacting with it, and then Instagram will give you ads to all of those people. You interact with more of those ads, and it's literally serving you people who have an optimized Instagram on a silver platter. Creative strategy, more or less the same thing. Go to Facebook ads library, look at other people who are running ads, ask yourself what actually makes them work, and write some for yourself. And when you write those ads, you can even outreach to those businesses that you wrote ads for. And across all 3, just make sure you use AI as your consultant and not as your complete ghostwriter. Don't be writing things that just sound exactly like AI because nobody's going to want to hire you for that. Now, you understand the skills that you need. Next is how to use them to actually get clients. Now, I created a complete 4-hour in-depth video on getting clients as a copywriter, getting your first client, even if you don't have any experience. So go watch that video after this one and just a bunch of the videos on the channel so that you can learn exactly how this works and implement it to make some money as soon as possible. That's it for today. And of course, I'll see you guys on the next one.